Is this English? Section Saturn? This will be my last class. I will be retiring next year. Ibig sabihin nun, ang malas ninyo. Pero swerte din kayo kung makikinig kayo sa akin. Sharp pa ako, class. No? I've been doing this for 45 years. Yung mga technology nyo, you can't fool me. No? Okay, open your book to page 6, paragraph 1U. Read.
The casual.
Casual. Say it again. Casual.
Casual.
Madali lang yung klasiko, no? Sit. Ibahin niyo ako sa mga naging teacher niyo. In my class, you will learn. You will learn. You participate, you will learn. You don't, kayo na yan. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahina pandinig ko, class. Mahina yung pandinig ko, class. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ko naririnig. Get one whole sheet of paper.